with our dual cured systems today and the fact that they are color stable, and our G-CEM LinkForce is going to be a classic example of that, and that's the new kit that GC America brought on, onto the market just recently. The fact that we can use it in the anterior and the posterior, the fact that it can do multiple different things. So if you really want convenience, thinking about a product where you can buy one product, you only have one set of expiration dates, really think about it, it's all in that one box, and you can use it to put your post and cores in, you can use it to put inlays and onlays in the posterior, you can use it in the anterior for veneers or full coverage, so you've got that versatility. And for me, that's just hit a great niche in the market, because one of the things I hear from dentists all the time when I'm out lecturing is, I really don't want to just buy this whole kit for this one case, because I don't do that many anterior cases a year. I don't do that many veneer cases a year. And so here's a product that is so versatile that you can use it as your sort of workhorse for bonding in your inlays, your onlays, your full coverage restorations, your posts and cores, but you can also use it when you do have that anterior aesthetic crown case or that anterior aesthetic veneer case. And that really has been something new on the market with the advent of color-stable dual-cured resin systems. Now, because they're dual-cured, we have to understand that the gift is any place that we can't get adequate light or we don't get adequate light, we are going to have the material polymerize on its own. And the reverse of that is whether or not we get light there, it's going to polymerize on its own. So one of the places where this can be a technique change is many people were actually taught to, like, especially with anterior veneers or anterior full coverage crowns that are all ceramic, the glass is etched, you try it in, you clean it, then you silinate it, then you're going to actually prepare the veneer or the crown. So if you paint with that adhesive, you're going to do that, then you're going to load it with cement, and then you're going to put it in and protect it with the little orange shield and a little plastic veneer or crown tray so that you can then go and do the teeth. Well, with a dual cure system, you can't do that, because although the G-CEM LinkForce has a really phenomenal working time, and you really do have a decent 4 minutes before it's polymerizing on its own, that's not enough time if you've already loaded the restorations and now you're going and you're going to etch teeth and you're going to apply dent adhesive and cure dent adhesive. So one of the places you have to switch your technique, if you're used to working with light cured only and you want to move to using one of the new dual cured resin systems, is that you never preload the restorations and let them sit chair side.